Guys, iyaw tayo guys. Hito, Jempo. Good morning guys, good morning guys. Yung taga-iyaw guys oh.
Good morning.
Yun oh. Yung inihaw niya guys oh. Hito, Jempo. Yan oh.
Napakasarap.
Napakasarap niyan guys. Ito yung sunod guys oh. Inasal. Chicken inasal. Mamaya, pakita yung finished product niyan. Mamaya, mag-ano pa yan eh. Tempura. Oh. Yan yung pork namin, no? Finished product, guys. Buwang-buwa, oh. Napakasarap. Napakasarap niyan guys. Mamaya di-display na yan guys. Kaya sa mga customer namin guys. Thank you guys. Thank you.